Bring her down. Come on, raise her down. There you go. I'll come over here and watch. Say the magic words and she'll come down. Abracadabra.
Let's go then.
Let's go then. Coming down. Coming down. We're coming down. I'm gonna put her down. This is how we do it in the redneck world, right? We'd be using the overhead crane, but we don't have one. Maybe the guys out in the U-Tour world can just start sending me money and then we'll get one. Okay, we're starting to hit something because the dip is turning.
I won't worry about that though.
Don't worry about it? Are you down?
No.
It's straightening out, so either...
That's good.
Right, I know it's good, but... There we go. Okay, come back down.
Drop her down. Down Joe Brown? Judge Joe Brown?
Judge Judy?
They're coming down in a fast jerking motion.
Stop. We're tipping again, so we gotta be hitting on... Is it?
Still pretty.
Okay, down. Let's go down.
Let's go then. You've just been out of the game too long, Mike.
You're right, I've been out of the game too long, being the boss. Keep coming. Put your foot underneath that tire, that'll hold her.
Oh, Kyle, is that not perfect or what? I don't know, is it?
You gotta readjust. What are you two girls doing under there?
Eyeballs.
Coming down? Come on down, you're the next contestant on the... The price is right. Perfect, look at that. We're gonna have to just keep jiggling her backwards there, Kyle. Yep, perfect. One more, there we go. Boy, this might work, just spiffy diffy.
Are we down good? You're standing lined up for the hole.
We're coming down again.
Yeah.
Okay, keep a calming. Better focus on what you're doing, Mike. Kyle, we gotta go back a little bit, I think. There we go. You gonna try to wiggle her in that hole? Oh, ho! We're right there. We gotta see where them holes are.
There. Still good. Still good.
It's gotta go back. The axle's gotta go back about a half an inch to 3/4. Can we just leave a little bit of, just take it up just a little, or is there just a perfect amount of tension on it that we can, there you go. Yep, 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 yep. All right, now bring down just a little bit. We on the jacks?
Nope. Negative. Huh?
No,
No.
we're down. It's just got to get squared off. But I can see that, yeah. Do that. I'll come down a little bit. Now what?
We were till she comes in.
We're binding on the, look at right down here. We got, the dip's got to get tipped just this way a little bit and she'll pop in the hole.
Let's throw that one's jack under there.
Right. Push up on the front of the, pinion. All you gotta do is line up that dowel in, right? That's basically what we're up to. It feels like she's in, it's just gotta get snapped, let her drop into that.
Yeah, it's gonna drop in and scare the shit out of me, it really does.
It's gonna scare the shit out of you? Yeah, it don't happen around here. You guys are like nails.
When you're laying under here and boom.
You're wanted in 12 countries?
Dead or alive.
Dead or alive? Troy's wanted because Troy holds too many girls. All I see is it'd be nice to have a crane, but what the hell? You can swear, I'm not above that.
Neither am I. You're below it.
I'm not below that.
Mike blows it. And it's gonna move it forward.
Yeah, that's okay. There she goes. She's in. I didn't know your head would fit in there.
Mm-hmm. It's not tight on this side.
It's not tight on that side? There ain't no gap no more. That match. That Matco's got some get up and go, don't it?
Got more power than your snap-on 3/4.
Really? You think so? I suppose we're gonna start doing tool reviews too, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's got some arse.
See how many
Oh, it ain't much.
see how many bolts we can bust off, but
Are all those as tight as I can get? Bullshit.
put the other 4 in and we'll tighten them all again. Wide open, tight. Ponsse tight, as Yuha used to say. Remember Yuha? Oh yeah, you weren't around.
It was BT and K.
That was before Troy and before Kyle.
BT, BK.
What do you got going on there? Oh, that's all that water I use for fire extinguishing?
You up all the way?
Peeing all out on you. Does it smell like sewage?
Smells like ass and a dead carcass.
Good, that means all my holes are good.
Yeah.
Everything lined up then. You gonna give her the berries now? Hey! I can feel her go. Don't get wet. There. The shuttle has landed, right? Should I walk away now? We'll just move on to actually do some real work now. Okay. Good job, boys. Well, you know that fabricator he made that not warp, that was the best part, right? The best part was the guy who did the welding. The holes lined up. The bolts went in. You can call me an ass, it's alright. Okay. See you, bye. Hey folks, truthfully I don't know where in the heck we're at with videos. I'm gonna just, you probably saw a little bit of that a little while ago. I'm back in the shop, they got the boom on, blah blah blah. We had a fight on our hands with that one today because, excuse me, the hose wrap was giving them grief where the, we call it the toilet bowl, the Delrin ring or plastic ring down in there that keeps the hose from chafing. One of the steel blocks that bolts the two together, it was hung up on, so they were fighting with it for a little while. But we got it. Usually it's about a 5-minute deal. There's that nice frame repair. Wonder who did that. Anyways, today there was another thing. Did I just pick my nose online on the camera? I didn't really pick it. Today's project, while I was in the shop, I decided to do new frame lock brace bracket to the center section. I cut that off, re-welded a new one on. This is a busy day, so I didn't really get to show you much, but tomorrow morning we're going to put the head back on it, get everything working, give her a good cleaning up, and send her on its way. It's going out the door Friday at noon. We'll make everything work. That's my 200-pound gorilla. What's that noise? Well, see how nice that looks, Troy? Wow. Crack. Big crack. No leaks, no runs, no drips, no errors, huh? No leaks, no runs, no drips, no errors. It's got no, that's just saw out. You guys gonna hang her up then and let her go? Or is he gonna run her around for a bit? That what?
The bogies, so you get the bolts, one bolt on each side and then stoppers.
Okay. Okay. Alright, well then I'll leave you alone to finish up. Because then we'll hang her up and then leave her outside over by the wash bay.